The maxi dress, the go-to dress for the summer. Throw it on and wear it to the beach or on holiday, or dress it up and wear it out for the evening. Worn the right way, the possibilities are endless. In this video, I show you how with some tips. Hi, I'm Michelle, the face behind Pierre-Carr and Styled by Pierre-Carr, and this is a place where you get tips to create your own personal style. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe on the button below, but all the details are in the description box. Today we are talking maxi dresses, and maxi dresses has to be the most versatile outfit pieces that you can have in your wardrobe. Simply put, it's a full-length dress that you wear just above your ankles or to the floor. Its main characteristics are that it's lightweight. It either comes in cotton, silk or crepe to give it that sort of laid-back feel. It's flowy, which means that it's usually got a fitted bodice and then it's overflowing at the bottom. And then thirdly, you can layer it up and you can wear it all year round. So we're going to start with this dress from Mason Bent, a London brand, a local brand, always who I'll pick first. And basically this is a corseted dress with beautiful puff sleeves, and it's got this gorgeous peephole. So let's take a look. So as you can see from this great Mason Bent dress, it's got structure in the bodice, great puff sleeves, that very quirky peephole in the thigh and knee area, and it's just a great maxi dress to wear it in lots of different ways. So one of the easiest and simplest ways of changing your maxi dress is by adding accessories. And accessories are about complementing your look, not distracting from what's going on. And for me, summertime, it's all about the hat. So I've gone for this wide brim hat. I know some people like to go for the boho, but again, I'm all about structure. And I find that when you have more structured looks, it looks more formal, more put together, and you can wear it towards the evening and the back of the day. So I've gone for this black wide brimmed hat, and I've gone for this red shimmer pinkish necklace. Let me know what you think. Okay, so another really simple way to change your dress with another accessory is the good old belt. And a belt helps to define your waist. As I emphasized before, it's not really about volume. You don't want the dress to swallow you up, especially if you've got a dress that hasn't got that much structure to it in the top and the bodice line. So a belt will always add a definition to the waist. And again, adding a different kind of necklace, similar kind of family in terms of colouring and metallism, then you've got something that you can really work with. The most obvious way to add length, make you looking a bit more sophisticated and sexy, would be to wear heels, right? But as well as that, what you can do is wear a shorter cropped jacket or a shirt. And I have today this blouse by Eero, the Polino shirt, and it's actually leather. But what I love about it is instead of opting for your usual short sleeve denim top, jeans jacket, I've gone for a wrapped look. And if you knot the shirt or have a cropped jacket, you elongate your length of your legs, making you extremely stunning and provide that added extra oomph. So what do you think? So with a short jacket or a knotted or wrapped shirt, as I showed you, you elongate your legs. If you go for a longer jacket, we change the proportions slightly. More emphasis is placed on the top half of your body, and I've chosen to do this with the Lucille metallic heart jacket. And I've gone for this purely just to show you that when you might go a bit longer, personally, with a more structured look, it can make you look more sophisticated, much more formal in your look. You can easily dress up the knotted and the short jacket look to be more formal out, but this, a longer jacket, just sets you off. And I've gone for the pink with the print. Now, obviously you're gonna have to find the right print that works for you. Doesn't work for everybody, especially pale pink doesn't work for everybody. But just to show you that it's all about proportions. When you're choosing to change your maxi dress, proportions are so important. And in order to get that right, you need to know whether to wear it shorter or longer to emphasize the look that you're going for. Like outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3, outfit 4. The maxi dress is so versatile. It's one of those items you need to have in your wardrobe because you can layer it up, layer it down, and it is seasonal. The only important thing to remember is proportions. Shorter crop jackets, shirts are elongating your legs, which means that if you're a shorter lady, we don't like trailing dresses on the floor. We need to have more ankle cut ones. And if you're wearing a longer jacket, it's more formal, it's showcasing your torso, therefore it's more evening look. So I went for the printed look from Lisu because I'm saying, hey, I'm here. And that's the kind of image that you want to convey. Accessories, again, you can go for a structured hat, a floppy hat, a statement necklace, or a normal necklace, but it's understanding what you're trying to convey when you're putting these together. And that's why I'm a stylist and I'm here to help you. Now, if you're saying to me, Michelle, I wear maxi dress because actually my body isn't what I want it to be, that's okay. One of my specialisms as a former athlete is about just that, helping you to get the body that you love and wear the clothes that will make you look and feel $1 million with your image. So sign up to my wellness profile. Let me know whether you want to lose weight, maintain weight, or simply join a community of like-minded women, and we'll get you going on that way. Sound good? Subscribe if you haven't already so that you know when the next one drops. And tell everybody, share this video. I hope it's helpful. Take care.